Good afternoon. Hi, quick video message for Patrick Kirby. Mr. Kirby, thanks for buying the Homelite saw. I have just removed the bar and the chain, and so before I put it in the box and I drain the petrol and the oil, I'll start it one last time so you can see exactly how it's leaving me. So I don't know if you've used the older saws before, so I found a great way to prime them is to full choke and throttle lock, kill switch, and you find they will prime a lot easier. Choke off. Okay, thanks again for buying. I hope it's a nice addition to your collection or whatever you have planned for it. Bye for now.